As we near the end of 2020, we hope you'll consider an end-of-year donation to Lucky Dog Rescue. We are a 501c3 charity, so your donation is 100% tax deductible. Lucky Dog Rescue is 100% volunteer-based, so 100% of your donation goes to help a dog in need. Here are some of the examples of the work we do. Abby was at risk of euthanasia due to her age and hip problems until we stepped in. We helped her lose a few pounds and got her the medical care she needed, costing us $1,800. Abby now lives with a family who loves her and she loves them. She can usually be found caring for her young humans. Zorro had a tumor. We enlisted the help of our vet, Dr. Darren Wright at Kaibab Animal Hospital, who performed the surgery costing $2,000, and now Zorro leads a happy and normal life. Kiva is a senior dog and has trouble walking and is unable to see well. We found her at a high-kill shelter. We took her in and got her the medical care she needed, proper food, and a foster who loved her. We were prepared to care for her long term, but Kiva was a lucky girl who found her forever home. We hope you'll consider helping us help more animals in need in 2021. Thank you.